Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Olds 442, highly documented car, guys. I mean, a ton of documentation. Pretty car. This is original color. It's Viking blue metallic. It's got the white hood stripes. The white factory white vinyl interior, matching numbers, 350 4-speed car. This car's had a recent body up restoration. It's got 3,000 miles on the resto, and very nicely done. Good car, runs and drives excellent. I can't say enough about it. Just a good quality Olds, guys. And again, a ton of documentation. When we open up that trunk, we've got the original sales contract, all the original owner's manuals, the original warranty card. I mean, the check used to buy the car, a copy of the original title. I don't know if I said Protec-O-Plate, but we've got a ton of stuff from the day this car was new. But super cool car. I love the color combination. It's got my favorite hood on the Olds. I love that ram air hood, and it is functional. 4-speed car too. Factory reverse lockout still in it. Very cool car. Very cool. You can see it's got the original T3 headlights still in it. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. They've replaced both the front and rear bumpers. Car really hits the road nice. You see it's got pretty paint. I love that hood on these cars. You can see the trim's nice, dash in there's nice, and I'll tell you, this thing runs and drives excellent. Good car. Glass is nice on the car. Fits up good. Doors open and close real nice. You can see a few little marks in this back glass. I like this car a lot, man. It's got a good look to it. It's got the correct rear cutout bumper. Again, they've definitely replaced those bumpers. The car's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around. It's got the factory color-coded rally wheels on it. This is a good looking car. Love the color. Glad we got some sunshine on it. You can kind of see it pop. Front disc brakes. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Again, this is a matching numbers 350 engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. We do have an exhaust leak on this passenger side. I think it's actually the manifold. We haven't had a chance to get it down to the exhaust shop yet, but he told me that the previous owner said that he thought the manifold was bad, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new exhaust manifold for that side. Car's detailed up nice underneath the hood, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, does have the correct Muncie wide ratio 4-speed manual trans. That's cool, all the old stickers on it. Transmission still has the original GM tag on it. Pretty paint, pretty color. Mirrors are nice. You can see that glass is nice. Fits up good. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Original door sticker on it. New carpet. I've ordered brand new floor mats for it. They'll say 442. Bucket seats, console, factory deluxe steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory wood grain dash. 3627, that's on the restoration. Factory dash, it's AM radio, it's got a little AM FM. I couldn't get that to come on. The blower motor works, I know the dash lights and everything work. It's got dual exhaust. It's got the correct chrome tips on it. Sorry guys, a little dust in here. It's got the 10 bolt, not a big gear, probably like a 3, I think they're 323s in these cars. It's got the W27 aluminum rear end cover. And sorry about the dust in here, guys. Rear sway bar, factory. It's got the factory spare with the Firestone wide oval bias ply tire. That's pretty cool. Factory jack, and then like I say, loaded with documentation. Original title, original purchase agreement, original window sticker, Protec-O-Plate. All your owner's manuals, you name it, it's all there. I think there's even a receipt when the guy first bought it. You see it's all spackle coated underneath the trunk here. Very, very nice car. That documentation is cool, man. That's kind of what all the collectors are hunting for. It fits up good. Car's nice underneath. Got it up in the air and got some pictures of it. Looks like the original, there's a lot of the original undercoat still under it, then they kind of just blacked it out over top of it. It's a little wax there, guys. New sill plates. Seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. Dash is nice. It's in real good shape. Those gauges are nice and clean. It's a good car. Console's nice. Have Jordy fired up here. Yeah, you hear that little exhaust leak on this side. We will have that taken care of. Sorry, I put it in reverse. Yeah, you're gonna have to come do that, Nathan. You might be able to get one of them. Yeah. Again, we will make sure that exhaust manifold, if I gotta get a new one, I get a new one. Fuel gauge works. The only thing not in there working is your clock. I don't know if you guys can see everything working. I know that sun's directly behind me. Like I say, car hits the road good. Blower motor works. The only thing we couldn't get on in there was that radio, but the blower motor works. I know the wipers work. Doors open and close real nice. All the original T3 headlights are still in the car. That's pretty cool. Oh, we might have a bulb out up here. Oh no, it's on. Okay. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. It really changes on a daily basis. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, or definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way every time I get one of these videos done, you guys can see it. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car, man. Car's just got a good look. Pretty color combo. Car sounds good too. Have a great day, guys.